Today, we're taking a deep dive into Clarizen, a leading project management platform that focuses on empowering teams and improving productivity. From the moment you log in, you're greeted with a clean, user-friendly interface. At the top, you have quick access to key sections, like projects, tasks, and reports, all neatly organized for easy navigation. One of the things I like about Clarizen is its flexibility. Whether you're managing a large team or a single project, it scales with you. When you first set up Clarizen, you can choose from multiple templates, each designed to fit different project needs. These templates help you hit the ground running and customize workflows based on your specific requirements. The project dashboard is intuitive, giving you a bird's-eye view of all your ongoing tasks, timelines, and milestones. You can easily track project status, delegate tasks, and see who's responsible for what, which is critical for team accountability. One of the standout features of Clarizen is its advanced reporting system. You can generate custom reports to analyze everything from project progress to budget tracking. The flexibility here is incredible because you can tailor reports to reflect the exact data you need, whether you're tracking milestones or managing resource allocation. This feature is especially useful for project managers who need to keep a close eye on multiple aspects of a project simultaneously. Clarizen also integrates with a range of third-party tools like Slack, Salesforce, and Google Workspace, which helps streamline your workflow even further. If you're already using other platforms for communication or file sharing, this integration makes it easy to sync data across different tools without losing track of anything. Collaboration features are top-notch as well. Team members can comment directly on tasks and projects, and file sharing is straightforward, making collaboration seamless no matter where your team is based. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Now, one thing I'd like to point out is the learning curve. Although Clarizen is packed with features, it may take a little bit of time to get used to the platform, especially if you're new to project management software. However, once you get the hang of it, you'll realize just how powerful and comprehensive the tool is. The support team is responsive, and there are plenty of tutorials and resources available to help you along the way. Overall, Clarizen is an excellent tool for managing complex projects and keeping teams aligned. If you're looking for a platform that offers advanced features and scalability, Clarizen should definitely be on your radar. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out the description below for helpful links and resources. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and in-depth tutorials on the best business tools available.